वी ऑलमोस्ट फूल जावपाचो जाला कित्याक आमकां जायते फीडबॅक मेळ्ळो की आमचो लोक जातलो म्हणून.
हॅलो बाबा, तुम्ही कशे तुम्ही आयज? गुड. कोंकणी टीव्हीचेर तुमच्या सगळ्यांचो येवकार. आयचो आनी एक कार्निवल तुमकां दाखयता. क्रॅनफर्ड कम्युनिटी म्हणटा थंयसर येयला हांव आनी हांगासर पळया जेवणाची वेवस्था, डायनींग हे सगळे हांगासर तयारी केल्ली आसा. चाट कॉर्नर आहा आनी मागीर जेवण आसा, बार आसा आनी हे सगळे वेवस्था केला हांगाचे केटरर्सान. आतां हांगासर बँडवाले आपणे सेटअप बिटअप करपाक लागला. तर पळयत रावा कोंकणी टीव्ही.
So let me introduce myself. My name is Melrick John Fernandez and I'm your host for this wonderful evening. And along with me we have something really special, something which each one of you all are going to be a part of history. This is the first time a band has been flown all the way from Goa for Carnival. Okay, so are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to be a part of history? So ladies and gentlemen, get your hands together and give a big round of applause for the Rungs!
तर हे पॉप्युलर बँड आमचे गोंयकार आनी गोंयचे फर्स्ट टायम तुमचे एंट्री हांगासर. नमस्कार तुमकां सगळ्यांक. वेलकम बॅक टू कोंकणी टीव्ही अगेन. आयज हांव येयला क्रॅनफोर्ड म्हणटा थिंगा आनी स्पेशली हे आमचे गोंयचे बँड येयला. हिंगा गोंया भरपूर पॉप्युलर हांकां मेळपाक मातशें चड टायम काडचें पडटा. हॅलो बाबा, तुमी कशे तुमी आयज? गुड. वेलकम बॅक टू इंग्लंड. फर्स्ट टायम कितें नांव म्हटलें तुगेलें? नांव कितें? दरंस. तुगे नांव कितें बाबा? शेल्डन. कितें बाबा तुगे नांव? येस सर. तुगे नांव कितें? जॅस्पो. वेलकम सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार. लंडनच्या शहरान तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार फ्रॉम कोंकणी टीव्ही एंड द ऑर्गनायझर फ्लॉयड तांकां घेवन येयला. हे फ्लॉयड कितें करून तांकां प्लान केलें हे तुमकां सांगतलो. आनी हांगा येवन तेंचे फर्स्ट परफॉर्मन्स आहा आयज. तांकां तेंचें कितें म्हणणें आमी तांकांच विचारया न्ही. तर तुमचो सगळ्यांचो येवकार हांगा लंडनच्या शहरान. आनी हांगासर तुमी पयले फावटी येयला. कितें म्हणणें तुमी तुमचे? आनी हेजे पयलीं तुमी केन्ना येयल्ले ओ पयले फावटी? फर्स्ट टायम. फर्स्ट टायम. कशें मेळ्ळें तुमकां हे ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी?
लॉयडान कॉल केलो आमकां. कॉल केलो आनी शो कोत्ता हांव. सो तो मागीर ताका उलयलो शोआ लागून.
तेश करून पावले. मागीर तुमकां तुमचे अपेक्षा आसलेले ओर तुमकां खबर आसलेले तुमी येवपाचे हांगासर ओ पयलींसून प्लान आसलेले? केन्ना एक्सपेक्ट केल्ले अशें जातलें म्हणून रोखडे?
ट्राय कोताले आमी.
ते जालें. हय म्हणलें ओके. मागीर प्रिपेरेशन आनी हे ते इनफ टायम मेळ्ळो तुमकां? म्हणल्यार हय फ्लॉयड म्हणटालो म्हाका एक वर्सा पयलीं कितें ते बँड चड बिजी आसताय आनी डेट्स मेळना आनी अशें तशें. मागीर फायनली यू आर हियर. very happy to see you here, gentlemen. Ladies, there is no ladies. Okay, gentlemen. Okay. मागीर तुमकां तुमच्या बँडान इतलेच आहा आनी दुसरे मेंबर्स बी आहा? सावंड इंजिनियर आहा. ओके. म्हणजे टोटल कितले लोक येयला तुमी आतां हांगासर? 6 जाण. बँडाचें नांव कितें म्हटलें? हे शो ऑर्गनायझर करपी फ्लॉयड बाब. फ्लॉयड बाब कशें आहा तूं आयज?
Baba, well, quite well.
हां.
At the same time, I like to thank each and everybody, especially the Rungs, which I was very lucky to book them. And when one day I was told that they were supposed to come over here, and that's how I got them. I rang them and I spoke to them directly. Baba, tumka येवपाक खुशी आहा? तेणी म्हणलें वय, without any hesitation. And that's how we started working on to come to UK. So this is where they are over here now at the moment to put up a big show and a good show as well.
ते पयली पाटी हांकां हाडला हांगासर.
वय.
आनी फर्स्ट टायम जे कोण येता न्हू हे तांकां विजा इश्यू हे ते इश्यू तेचो केसो?
I do had a problem with the visa because they are coming for the first time, but we solved it. वय चड त्रास जाता सारकें. So the UK government has spoken to me or how do you rate these people? Are they okay, safe enough to come back and all? But then that is what it is. I said everything is fine. I am the guarantor, and that's how they released them immediately. So based on this, and they supported me very well on this coming up for the first time.
Events आता कितले almost तुमचो full जाला, full houseful हा
We almost full जावपाचो जाला कित्याक आमकां जायते फीडबॅक मेवला की आमचो लोक जातलो म्हणून आतां लोक आतां येवपाक रावला सो वी एक्सपेक्टींग मोर एंड मोर क्रावड कमींग बिकॉज आमचे जाणा तूं लोकांचें मातशें हिंगा थिंग सुसेगाद जाता आनी वारें तोंडाय आहा सो दीस वील हॅपन एज युजली वीच इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी पॉजिटिवली डन properly.
Okay, हेजे मुखार कंटिन्यू आसतले नेक्स्ट इयर
आमी सदांच or traditionally करूंक सोदता because tradition doesn't go out of fashion actually. So आमच्या वर्साच्या ओडयेक आमी करूंक सोदता सो हें आमकां देवान आमकां दवरल्या पळोव म्हणून हें करूंक सदां ट्रेडिशन करपाक सो I hope this is going to be one of the best from now. We are always thinking of doing everything something different every year.
So we are grateful for Lloyd for getting us here, and thank you so much, Lloyd, for everything. Because without you, we would not get this opportunity. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So, firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Melvin John Fernandez, and I'll be host for today. Viva Carnival to each one of you all. And in the meantime, we have someone special all the way from Goa, and all those lovely people who are dressed. Please do join it, so you as well. Please do join in the lovely parade. Yeah, all the red and black. There's some like outing on some layer. Okay, Ata 40 copies kariya. Let's go. Where the drums? And to lead this lovely procession or rather celebration, we have DJ Quincy. And to be honest, the reason why we all celebrate Carnival is because of our lovely Portuguese tradition and which was brought to India in the 18th century. It's the end. Celebrating Carnival is basically the end of one season and starting into another season for which we all are proud to be called Catholics today. So without wasting much time, two more tracks. What do they call Queen if King is Momo? Momi? Who's Momi though? So where's the children man? They are calling you Momi. Oh Mami. Mami they're calling you Mami. So, do you have a nice special message? I know you said you don't want to speak because you've been speaking in Panjim today. You've been speaking in Panjim whole day from 4 o'clock and then flight to Gatwick and then Gatwick to here. It's a pain. Ask the runs. They came last night. So you have just come now. But still, a message for all these lovely people over here. Do you guys want to hear King Momo? Yes? Okay. So a nice message for all these lovely people over here.
Everyone enjoy.
And drinks on his house. Whoever said that drinks on his house, okay? And there's a gentleman over here who wants to ask a nice question to everyone. Yes? What's the prize? What's the prize? I can't give myself, neither the organizers are giving me a gift, but sir, next party you can call me as a compare. Now, look on the side, you want to ask a nice question to anyone this side, that side, okay? Go ahead.
Viva Carnival to everybody going Viva Carnival! एक इजी क्वेश्चन कोणत्या सांगायला पण कोणतानी पण आमचा सांगायला पाना ओके एक तियात्र पुराणा डायरेक्टर 32 वर्सां ताणें काम केलां आनी 32 वर्सां तो संवसार सोडून गेलो बरो तियात्रीस्ट बरो पुराणा डायरेक्टर सिंगर कोण तो सांगते कोणतानी कोण आहा जाल्यार सांगूंक मेळटो ना Anyway, she's right. You're not Boro theatrist, Boro director.
Any more question? Ask one more.
Okay. Only a theatrist, Boro director. BKG 40. Yes. Oh, correct. Alice in the company. Photo.
So this happiness which this uncle has, this gentleman over here has, is all thanks to Mickey's Tex Caterers. As you can see here, all the words from his mouth. So please do felicitate the lovely catering which is Mickey's Tex Caterers, and his wife especially has made all this lovely food which is Melissa. So Melissa, are you here? Your husband has made a big shout out to you, the lovely Melissa from Mickey's Tex Caterers. And if you want to drop any reviews, please do drop your reviews. Then we have the lovely Konkani TV over here. So please say hi to Chef Naik, everybody. Yes. You know him, no? Okay, he's very famous. And without wasting much time, thank you everyone for coming over here. We have the lovely organizers over here. Lloyd, we want to hear you say a few words for organizing this lovely evening over here. Getting all these lovely people, especially the band all the way from Goa. So Lloyd, a few words for all these lovely people who have come for in support of your event.
Thank you, Malvik. I won't take the time without yourself. I'd like to thank everybody for coming here and making this show a big success. I would say that. Put your hands together for the Rungs. We have come all the way from Goa to entertain the lovely people out here. Thank you, Rungs.
Okay, and in the meantime, to all those lovely people who are dressed here, if you want to present yourself, because we're going to have a nice contest, that's what the organizer said, so one nice parade walk will be good, right? Just a nice walk around, because you are all taking efforts to dress up. Okay, so kids, thank you. You guys can wait at the side. All the kids with the flags, please do stand aside. Yes. Okay, so all those with your fairy wands, I was going to say something, but nevertheless, all of you all will make a nice walk, and then we'll let the audience decide who's going to win, okay? So DJ Quincy, let's hit that beat. Who knows DJ Quincy? I can't hear you. Make some noise for DJ Quincy! Let's go!
उदास करून केन्ना तुम्ही गोंया येवंक जाय गोंया वसलो गांव तुका मेवचो ना गो बाय परदेसान आमी आसतना उगडा तुजो येताना पडटा आमकां तुजी सपनां उदास करून
Viva Carnival! Deus